If you work in e-commerce or digital projects, you've probably heard about PIM. What is PIM actually used for, and do you really need it in your business? Hi, this is Gabriela from Ergonode. Today I will explain what PIM is, what it isn't, and where it becomes essential. Let's start with the basics. PIM, or Product Information Management, is a system that helps you collect all your product data in one place, then organize it, enrich it and distribute it across different sales channels. Sounds good, but what does that really mean in practice? Let's take this power extension cord as an example. It may look like a simple product, but it actually comes with a lot of specific details that can be described as attributes. You have basic product data like cable length, color or type. Then there are technical specifications, voltage, maximum load, safety parameters and certifications. On top of that, you have logistics data, package size, weight, delivery details. There are also digital assets, images, videos, PDFs and other materials related to the product. And all of this applies to just one version of the product, because even a simple extension cord can come in many variants. For example, with different cable lengths or numbers of sockets. Now, imagine that this level of detail has to be defined for thousands or even 10,000s of products in your store. Without the PIM platform, product data is scattered across different spreadsheets, systems and folders. This makes it very hard to keep everything under control and even harder to maintain consistency and up-to-date information. As a result, mistakes start to appear. Sales don't grow and your brand loses to competitors in search rankings and in the answers generated by AI tools. This is exactly where PIM comes in. PIM is a single central source of truth. You no longer need to jump between spreadsheets or old notes saved in random places. When all product information is stored and structured in one system, you get a complete clear view of your entire catalog. You can easily add or edit attributes, create relationships between products, and make changes in a matter of minutes. A good PIM system should also automate repetitive tasks and take pressure off your team so they can focus on more creative strategic tasks. What's more, with a PIM system you can instantly see how complete your product information is and whether it's ready for publication. You can also track the status of each product. Are they missing images or maybe technical descriptions? I also mentioned that PIM is your command center for distributing product data, and that distribution can mean many things. From publishing products in your e-commerce store to listing offers on marketplaces such as Allegro or Amazon, all the way to your e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Magento. With a PIM platform, you maintain full consistency across all sales channels. And from a customer's perspective, that consistency builds trust in your brand. Multiple teams can work in one system, which means everyone is using the same version of the product catalog. Marketing can define how products are communicated to customers. E-commerce teams can easily prepare and update product data without manual copying or re-entering information. And sales teams are no longer struggling with outdated content. Okay, now you know what PIM is, but it's also important to clarify what PIM is not. PIM is not an inventory management system. It doesn't track stock levels in real time or tell you how many units you currently have in your warehouse. You can, however, define product lifecycle status. For example, whether a product is available, out of stock or discontinued. But this is just an attribute in the system and it doesn't reflect real-time inventory data. PIM is also not a CMS. It's not used to manage website content directly, but rather to feed your CMS with structured product information. It's also not an ERP system. Instead, it's a tool for designing a product offer that is ready for sale. A modern PIM can integrate with ERP systems and exchange data with them. Some PIM solutions can even enrich your product data by pulling information directly from your ERP system. It's also worth paying attention to whether your PIM system includes DAM functionality, digital asset management, so that your product assets are directly linked to your products. When you need to update outdated information or add images from a new photoshoot, you can do it all in one system. I hope this video helped you better understand what product information management is. If you still have any questions, feel